Hello everyone. If you want create a drop cap in your document, first open your document. Now, for example, in this document, for first paragraph, I want create a drop cap for letter T. Now I delete that letter as you see, and on the top click on insert. From drawing, click on new, and from toolbar click on text box, and with your mouse create a text box. After that, when you select that text box, in your left click on actions and click on word art. Now in this box write your letter with caps lock, for example letter T. After that, click on enter. As you see, we have a letter T. One click on it, and on the top click on fill color and choose black for background or other color based on your text color on your document. Also, you can change the font based on your document font, and you can change the style, bold or italic, based on your needs. After that, click on save and close. If you see a space in your drop cap, double click on it. One click on that space. As you see, a text box. Delete that extra text box and click on save and close. Now, one click on that drop cap and choose wrap text. As you see, we add a drop cap to our paragraph. You can, with your mouse, change the size of drop cap. Also, if you want change that drop cap, double click on it. Again, in your drawing section, you can change the font. You can change the letter. Double click on it. You can add any other letter. Also, you can change the background color or style or font. Again, click on save and close. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.